Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best product insights every day. In today's video, we'll explore the best sleep tracker to help you improve your rest and wake up refreshed. Stay tuned for honest reviews and smart choices that make your life better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more daily updates on the best products out there. Number 1. Fitbit Charge 5. The Fitbit Charge 5 is a high-end fitness tracker with a stunning-looking AMOLED display. It's far classier than other Fitbits, as well as more robust, thanks to the protection provided by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen. In our Fitbit Charge 5 review, our test noted that it's a little on the small side. But that makes it a comfortable fit when you're snoozing. You won't have to worry about it getting in the way. A subtle always-on screen can be tweaked on or off, proving useful at night. As you might expect, this Fitbit does much more than just track sleep. With its extensive array of sensors, it can measure stress on your wrist, offer an ECG, along with a daily readiness score to give you insight into how you're doing today. Heart rate monitoring isn't perfect, and as with other Fitbits, the Fitbit Charge 5 can get confused if you simply stay still. Number 2. Withings Sleep Analyzer. If the idea of wearing a wrist strap all night is unappealing, then the Withings Sleep Analyzer is the solution for you. You slip it under your mattress, plug it in, and leave it to do all the hard work for you, allowing you to sleep encumbered. Thanks to that, it offers far more advanced sleep tracking than its competitors, with an in-depth analysis of your sleep cycles, durations, and any interruptions. For leg, it's also able to detect any snoring episodes as well as spot any signs for sleep apnea, an underdiagnosed condition. In terms of sheer sleep tracking power, you can't go wrong with the Withings Sleep Analyzer, but it is purely a sleep tracker. That means it's a bit of an expensive purchase to track one issue through your day, but we appreciate that its app ties into others well, giving you insight into your general health and body performance all day long. Number 3. Withings Steel HR Sport. If you want a smartwatch that also tracks your sleep comprehensively, the Withings Steel HR Sport is a fantastic, if somewhat cumbersome option. It's a full-sized watch, so it won't be the comfiest of things to wear if you lean on your wrist at night, but it tracks very accurately. That's thanks to automatic sleep monitoring that looks at your light and deep sleep cycles, detects any interruptions, and how regular they become. Each morning, you can enjoy some deep insight into how you're doing each night. As well as that, the Withings Steel HR Sport is a powerful smartwatch for the active user. It tracks many different sports, has fantastic battery life, and estimates your ability level each step of the way. For those simply wanting to track their sleep, it's overkill, but if you want an all-in-one solution, it's great. Number 4. Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. Another excellent budget sleep tracker is the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. This cheap tracker's companion app contains plenty of insight for you to explore. It gives you a sleep score, plus emoji representation, a simple bar graph to highlight deep sleep cycles, and tells you your average heart rate for the night too. You can see how well you're sleeping compared to other users, and it'll even encourages you to track what you're doing before you went to bed, so you can see if, for example, eating late in the day or playing a game before bed impacts your sleep. You can't use this to monitor for sleep apnea or snoring, but other than that, its sleep features are pretty comprehensive. In our Amazfit Bip 3 Pro review, our tester actually found this device tracked sleep more accurately than the Fitbit Inspire 2. So why is that sitting above the Amazfit in our list? Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 55. If you've been considering investing in one of the best Garmin watches, but you also want to track your sleep, the Garmin Forerunner 55 is a good introduction to both. Considered the ideal first running watch, it's more affordable than other Garmins while offering plenty of options and workout tracking. Besides personalized run workout suggestions and all kinds of things for the daytime, it also allows you to track sleep duration. While recording sleep stages, including REM sleep and it monitors respiration rate too. At times, it's not as accurate as something like the Withings Sleep Analyzer, but if you want something that's an all-rounder, the Garmin Forerunner 55 means you can monitor your activity levels 24/7 without feeling like you need to own a dedicated solution. Head to our Garmin Forerunner 55 review to find out more.